The last bidet that we have here is the Tushy Classic 3.0 bidet. So this was my first bidet, and I've had this for well over 3 years now. And I used to think like it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so this is as straightforward as you can get. As you can see, there's only one nozzle, but the actual writing on the nozzle has worn off over time. So it's basically just a pressure nozzle that you twist and turn. You do have a kind of switch to angle the spray. So that's pretty useful when it comes to using this. But like the other two options, it's not electric. So it's going to be using the cold fresh water that comes straight from your water tank. Setup for this one is relatively simple. You have the flexi hose, which connects to the actual bidet. And then there's a T adapter included underneath there as well. Now, I guess the main feature that I really liked with this one is you do have an angle adjustment, and it just angles it by a few degrees. It's not the biggest change. It's very, very simple to use. And basically with the angle adjustment, you can fine tune where the water stream is directed on a fixed spray position. Now, compared to other models, I feel like the Tushy feels like it's less focused on adding extra features and more focused on just what it does, which is spraying water on your bottom. So it really is a good option. It's very easy to use and very easy to install.